Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Excel Intermediate class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this video, we are going to learn a feature in Excel called the Name Manager. Okay, so the Name Manager in Excel is a feature that we use to actually name cells or ranges in Excel. For example, right here, I have this cell selected right here. This is cell D1. Why? Because it's on column D, okay, and on row number 1. And the name box right here, we learned a little bit about this on our Excel level 1 class. That name box right here will tell us the location, or in this case also that reference of this cell. But what if, and instead of going by this reference right here, what if we can give this cell right here a special or a custom name? Okay, well, this is possible with the naming manager or with the name manager in Excel. And this is how it works, my friends. So on this report right here, it looks like we have some spices, some products that we're selling. Okay, so this is some products that we purchase. So we purchase the spices from somewhere and then we resell them. Okay, so this is how many right here on this range is telling me how many units I purchase. This is the money that I spend on my purchase, my expense, and then here is how much of those spices I sell with my selling price for per unit, and then also this is my revenue right here. Okay, so let us pretend, for example, on this report, let us do something easy first. I'm gonna go ahead and name right here some of these totals. For example, I'm gonna select this right here, and I'm going to select this cell right here, this reference, and I'm going to come over here to the name box, and I'm going to go ahead and type a name. This name must not have spaces or special characters, with the exception of the lower dash. So I'm gonna go ahead and name this range, for example, total purchase east, like so. Let me see if I spell this correctly. Yeah, total purchase east. I'm gonna press enter. Very nice. Now, if you notice, my friends, if I click right here on this drop down arrow, right here I have total purchase east. I have a little. It's gonna start building like a little list right here. Now I'm gonna go back and name this now. This reference right here. Now I'm gonna go back in here and call this total cell east. Enter. Okay, now if you notice, my friends, right here I have a little list building right here. So if I click right here on total purchase is, boom, it'll take me here, right here, to the total purchase. And then also if I click right here on the total sale, boom, it'll take me, Excel will take me to that total sale for this east region. Now we can also take advantage of this name manager whenever we have very long report. For example, I'm going to select this cell right here to the very end of my report. Well, this report is not really very long, but it's long enough to prove my point. So I'm going to select this cell right here, and I'm going to go back in here and call this end of report. Enter. Very nice. So now, for example, pretending that I'm working on my report and I'm at the very top of my report right here, and I want to get to the end of my report quickly, I can just click right here and look right here, end of report. Boom, it'll take me to the very end of my report. And I can also select and name different areas of my report so that I can quickly navigate to my report, especially when it's very long. Also, this is great whenever you have a workbook with a lot of spreadsheets and a lot of information. By using this little name box right here, you can jump very quick from one important section to another. Now, I am just happen to name individual cells here, but you can also name ranges as well, whole ranges as well. And very nice. Now, another reason to use right here the name ranging feature is because I can also use it for operations. And when I use the name manager for operations, my cells are actually they're also lock, so I don't have to do the F4 thingy and anchor my cells. I can the cells because they have a unique name. Okay, and by the way, two cells cannot be named with the same name on the name manager, but because the cell references or the cell reference have a unique, or whatever cell you name has a unique reference, which is now the name, that also automatically become a lock reference or a locked cell. Okay, we can also use this for operations. Let me show you, my friends. So I'm going to select right here. So I have the total purchase amount right here, and then the total that I sell right here. So what I'm going to do, I want to find out what is the net. So, well, what is that net profit, or what is the net amount? So I'm going to start another level in here. I'm going to call that net. Very nice. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do an operation here, and instead of using the and instead of using the references here, I'm going to actually use the names that I give to this reference. So for example, I'm going to put right here equals total purchase is. You see that right here? I'm going to use my arrow keys, go down, press tab. Okay, select that. Very nice. Actually, no, I'm doing it backwards. What I need to do, I actually need to do, I need to do the total. Yeah, total sale is. Oh, I thought I was doing it wrong, I guess. Total sale is. Select that, and then I'm going to do minus, and I'm going to do total purchase is right here. There you go. You see that? Very nice. So what I did, I bring up the what I did, my friends, we already went over this earlier in our course. I used the autocomplete feature, or you can always select right here. Oh, I cannot select this. You can always select right here. I right here from the autocomplete feature. So I'm gonna do total cell is, use my down arrow key. Once I select the tag, notice that it's like a little tag right here. Once I select what I'm looking for, press the tab key, minus, and then I'm gonna do now total purchase is, select that with the arrow key, press the tab key, there you go. So that's now an operation that is a subtraction with the name manager using those cells. I'm going to press enter, and there you go. That's my amount right there. That's my difference. I'm going to go ahead and just add the currency symbol just because I can. There you go. So very nice. I want to go back and look at my formula. Just double click on that, and notice right here, name manager is a very great feature also to move quickly from one place to your report to another. Now, for example, now what if I made a boo-boo and I want to I want to delete, or I want to change the name of this on this list right here. For that, my friends, you will go right here. You go to the formulas tab, and then you have a command right here that is called name manager. Click on that, and then you're gonna see right here a list of all the cells and all the ranges that you name. And then from here you can edit, the name. You can delete it, or you can create a new one. I actually like to create my new naming cells, or my name cells, from here, from the actual worksheet. I'm only coming here whenever I want to delete them, or whenever I want to edit the names of them. And anyways, this is how you get there. You go to the formulas tab, and then you go to the name manager. Okay, and this is how naming cells or ranges works using the name manager. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I see you guys in our next video. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.